Latest crypto and NFT news. OneOf debuts Led Zeppelin NFT collection with eBay. OneOf Marketplace announces collaboration with Globe Entertainment and Media Corporation to debut the NFT collection of the legendary rock band Led Zeppelin called Legends of Rock, listed by eBay. The users can now digitally own the photoshoot of 1969 at Chateau Marmont Hotel on the blockchain. You cannot spell rock without Led Zeppelin, the iconic Grammy Award-winning four-member band of vocalist Robert Plant, guitarist Jimmy Page, bassist/keyboardist John Paul Jones, and drummer John Bonham. Formed in London in 1968, this group has released exquisite music that still rings around the streets, remembering the acclaimed era of rock. Led Zeppelin had a huge demand from the public. Fans used to collect their magazine shoots, merchandise, and other stuff, which now holds much more value than it did before. Visit our website for more news.